everyone, it's Wolfgang. It's been a little while since I made a video, but today I've got another yummy recipe for you. The new recipe is ChocChai Muffins. Let's go! Okay, first combine the oats and milk and mix them to combine, and then let soak until for 15 minutes. Okay, combine. Let's combine oats and milk. This looks really different. It's kind of like porridge. Okay, now we've waited 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add in the egg, oil, sugar, and vanilla. This is egg and vanilla that I'm pouring it. Carefully pouring it until it's involved. And then I'm gonna put in some dirt. Now what do you mix? Oh, that looks so good when it's caramelized. Now I've mixed it up. Now we're going to add in the baking powder, the baking soda, the chai spices, and the flour. You can do it in a separate bowl if you want. Mix those up together and then put it in, but this time I won't. Oh, I forgot to tell you. The chai spices are cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, ginger, and allspice. Okay, now we are going to fold in some chocolate. And please remember, do be careful not to overmix. And now we are going to put the mixture into the muffin cases by magic. Ding! Okay, that was quite good with magic. Now let's put them in the oven for about 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Ask an adult to help. Okay, they're all cooked. They're cooked. Now it's time to eat, which is the best part. Now the muffin case. Now, let's eat. This is so good. Yum! It's delicious. ChocChai Muffins. See you next time.